YouTube. This is just a quick random product review. This electric kettle, it's from Hamilton Beach. It's 1 liter max, but you can put a little bit more if you want to. It's electric. On the bottom it has the specs, but it's a 1500 watt kettle. And like, here's my hand. You know, it's a really nice size kettle, stainless steel, super fast. You've got an indicator light. Once it boils, it's an auto shut off, so you can hear it. It's got its stand, organized the cord in the bottom. Honestly, this is an item that I use heavily every day. I've had this for about, I don't know, 4 or 5 years now. It's just fantastic. It's simple. It's minimal, it's clean, there's no fluff, there's no extra stupid stuff. It just does what it does perfectly every time, and nothing has ever gone wrong, nothing's broken on it, and it's super affordable. So I'm gonna link this down below, and I just wanted to share that. Like, skip all the other stupid kettles and get this one. It's just solid. Just one button for the flip up, and the size is just perfect, and the shape. Small footprint, and you're good to go. You don't need anything else. So I'll put the link down below. Thanks for watching this random video. Stay healthy. Peace.